gentlemen.
Hello, hello, hello.
Just wanted to say hello.
Well, thanks for coming to see me, guys.
Did you know?
Come, subscribe.
You're going to be a very rich man.
Are you for real?
Oh, no, of course not.
What, you're celibate?
Let's get this party started!
Today's Wall Street Bets hourly report hones in on the torrent of discussions swarming around some of the market's most exciting and controversial stocks. Topping the charts in terms of mentions, regards have been exceptionally vocal about Nvidia Corporation, bouncing between bullish sentiment and biting skepticism. On the tail end, Tesla has struggled with mixed sentiments amidst Elon Musk's escapades and economic implications. Eli Lilly and Company found itself in a positive light, buoyed by regard eagerness over its market movements. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, Palantir Technologies, Supermicrocomputer, and Apple also sparked conversations, with community members dissecting their respective potentials.
Doing the bull dance, feeling the flow, working it.
Amidst the fervor, listeners are encouraged to show support by liking and subscribing to the channel, and remember to visit WallStreetBetsHourlyReport.com for more detailed information. It's important to note that the discussions and sentiments expressed in this report are in no way financial advice. They are a glimpse into the thrills and spills of trading as seen through the eyes of this impassioned online community. Equity and steady are at the heart of this report. Let's dive deep into the market's pulses as shaped by the voices of Wall Street Bets.
I bet on the bull.
Starting with Nvidia Corporation, which stood out with a staggering 17 mentions, the company triggered a spectrum of reactions. Seemingly consumed by the AI hype, regards predicted the stock could soar to unfathomable highs, with some ambitiously citing targets of $700 to a whimsical $4,000. Many pinned their hopes and wallets on bullish call options, with one regard even seeing a 500% increase in their investment. The enthusiasm went as far as to portray Nvidia shares replacing the US dollar by 2025, and long-shot discussions about the likelihood of a stock split at the upcoming earnings call brought excitement to fever-pitch levels. Goldman Sachs' move to raise Nvidia's price target to $800 fanned the flames of this rampant bullish sentiment, solidifying its image as an emerging meme stock. In contrast, the highs could not overshadow the undercurrents of doubt that spawned mentions of Nvidia's evil persona, with talk of a potential bubble foreshadowing a bearish horizon.
Flourished again, suddenly the bull charged.
Tesla, on the other hand, found its sentiment in a state of polarized flux, registering at a -1 with 9 mentions. Debates over its viability oscillated in the wake of the Wall Street Journal's report on Musk's alleged drug use and board members. While some regards swept the article aside as insignificant, others saw it as another quirk in the colorful Tesla narrative, hinting that such a headline might not hurt Tesla's stock performance. The broader economic discussion, sprinkled with humor, questioned the predictors of recession and aligned it with speculation that the downturn might emerge after elections, or perhaps not at all. Another contentious point was Elon's precarious public image, rife with past media controversies, reinforcing the unpredictable influence on Tesla's stock performance amidst such drama.
The bull won't like this.
Eli Lilly and Company was greeted with a sentiment score of 4, based on 8 mentions, basking in the glow of regard admiration. Discussions revolved around unexpected gains, with regards reflecting on profitable strategies and eyeing Eli Lilly as a potential top player. Debacle stories from bold options plays suggested a careful optimism, with investors keen on taking profits or holding for promise. Chatter included a regard admitting to holding a significant 68,000 share size, expressing only minor regrets they didn't acquire more, indicating strong confidence in Eli Lilly's future.
Hey, do you know what's happening with the stock market?
Now, looking at the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, it paralleled the market's sentiment complexity, with a score of 1 from 6 mentions. Traders held a mixed view on SPY, with speculated bullishness for growth, but also concerns over its stability as predictions suggested reaching the 500 mark by week's end to just about a year 2124 target, showcasing the volatility and unpredictability tagged with the broader market's health.
Oh, yeah, no, I wouldn't kill the bull. That's not nice. What I like to do is I like to get to know the bull, you know, teach it how to read, that kind of thing, to make him...
Palantir Technologies and Supermicrocomputer, each with a sentiment of 2, were also hotly debated. Palantir Technologies, stirred by a 20% increase in the year-over-year quarter, created a swirl of bullishness with whispers of S&PInclusion and an unexpected rise after the earnings call. The spotlight also illuminated Supermicrocomputer, which had regards bragging about gains and engaged in fervent speculation for further upward surges.
What the hell's going on?
Apple rounded out these discussions with 3 mentions and a sentiment score of 1. Although the sentiment remained neutral, there were vectors of optimism from those intending to load up on calls ahead of earnings, juxtaposing the echoes of concerns voiced elsewhere about their spending habits and technological innovations.
Just a bull out me riding.
Wrapping up today's report, Nvidia Corporation has undeniably stolen the show as the most talked about stock within the Wall Street Bets forum, enveloped by a bullish aura, save for the looming suspicions of bubble worries. Tesla's owl reached a split verdict, battling between economics and the Elon Musk showmanship that cast a long shadow. Eli Lilly and Company stood strong in the limelight, drawing traders in with its upward momentum and newfound investor confidence. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, Palantir Technologies, Supermicrocomputer, and Apple all saw their share of action, though none could eclipse the drama and expectations centered around Nvidia and Tesla.
I'll distract the bull. You grab the money, okay?
Now, even as the crowd's mood switched from extreme bullishness to cautious bearishness across many names, one constant remained: high risk, high reward is the spirit that courses through the vein of this community. Remember, amidst the market's sounds and furies, none of what's discussed here is to be mistaken for financial advice, but rather a colorful tapestry of opinions and sentiments that shape Wall Street Bets' daily narrative. Stay informed, stay skeptical, and consider every angle before joining the ranks of those betting big on Wall Street.
Hey, thanks for coming by.
He was onto something clever, boy.
You're a scholar and a gentleman.
I must ask you.
Do you subscribe?
Subscribe.
Farewell, my friend!
So farewell, goodbye, regrets, etc., etc.
Farewell, my friend.